Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce financial obligations with PNC Bank step by step clearly. Start by gathering all your financial documents. Review your current financial obligations. Identify which obligations you want to reduce. Next, visit the PNC Bank website or your nearest branch. Log into your online banking account or create one if you haven't already. Navigate to the loans section on the website. Explore the options available for personal loans or debt consolidation. Consider applying for a personal loan to pay off high-interest debts. Fill out the required application form with your financial details. Provide any necessary documentation, such as proof of income and existing debts. Submit your application and wait for a decision from PNC Bank. If approved, carefully review your loan terms. Use the loan to pay off your selected financial obligations. Monitor your new payment schedule for the personal loan. Make consistent monthly payments to avoid additional fees. Consider setting up automatic payments for convenience. Keep track of your financial situation to ensure you're on the right path. If needed, consult with a financial advisor for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.